Hello, viewers and learners. Wish you all happy Eid. Hope you all are enjoying the day. You are with Rani Chaudhary, lecturer from Zanzibar College of Business and Management. Our classroom activities already started since last month, but due to lot of requests from online platform audience, I will try to upload few lessons. Unfortunately, a lack of enough time will not be able to concentrate to edit and improve the video quality. Please consider it. Well, today we are going to discuss interview. The topic interview. There are different purposes of interview. We will concentrate on job interview. What is an interview? An interview means face-to-face interaction between the interviewer and the candidate or candidate so as to obtain desired information from him or them. It can also be defined as a way of exchanging meanings between individuals by using a common set of symbols. Interviews generally need a preparation. Clear communication should take place during an interview. Few tips we need to remember for interview. Like, the interviewee should be dressed formally, not casually. Have a pleasing appearance, as the candidate's personality is a significant part of the communication. Always carry an extra CV, a notepad to write on, a pen, and all essential things required in an interview. Practice and practice in advance. Prepare and rehearse for the unexpected also. As soon as the interview gets over, pen down the name of the interviewer, your strengths, weaknesses, etc. Be punctual. Try reaching before time for the job interview. Do not indulge in a fight or argument with the interviewer. Never. Answer the question specifically, truly, and undoubtedly. Just be yourself. Do not try to show up about yourself. Do not forget, the interviewer is smart enough to judge the candidate's intelligence and excellence for the job. Do not make any negative statement or comments about your past employer. Your body language should be positive during the interview. Like, maintain eye-to-eye contact, sit in well-balanced and confident posture. Do not lean on the table. Do not yawn. Use needful smile on your face. Don't be nervous. Take some deep breaths if you feel nervous. Arrive at least 30 minutes early. This way you will have 15 minutes to take some deep breaths, glance over your notes, and energy yourself up or cool yourself down. Go to the restroom and check yourself for superficial stuff that could go against your first impression, such as boogers in your nose, clean ears, eyes, cleaning fingernails, combed hair, popping a mint, etc. These things may seem picky, but it's pretty important. If your interviewer asking you, do you have any questions? And if your answer, no, I think you have covered everything. Trust me, you are making a big mistake. Most interviewers judge your interest, intelligence, and personality by the question you ask. Questions give you the opportunity to know, show your interest, learn more about the company, its products, service, and history, learn further details about the job, the people, and the most important attributes desired. Get to know and become friendly with the interviewer. But avoid asking questions about money, benefits, time off in the first interview. The objective to most questions is to show how you care about doing a job. Ask not what the company can do for you, rather what you can do for the company. Well, few legal things you should know in case of job interview. Laws. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission does not permit questions pertaining to personal information such as marital status, plans for children, sexual orientation, religious background, etc. Be careful. Also, Civil Rights Act of 1964. Civil Rights Act of 1964 forbids discriminations based on race, national origin, religion, or gender. Also, you should know Disabilities Act of 1990. Disabilities Act of 1990. Companies with 15 or more employees must give equal opportunity to people with disabilities when hiring and promoting, as well as accessibility to the company. Family Leave Act of 1993. Family Leave Act of 1993 said companies with 50 or more employees must grant an employee up to 12 weeks of leave per year. 12 weeks of leave per year to take care of a family member with a serious injury or illness. Now, what matters in a job interview? You'll be surprised. Well, 45% matters in packaging. Packaging? Like job applications, your CV, resume, dress, your body language in front of your interviewer. 35% depends on responsiveness. 35% matters responsiveness, like behavior, answering and asking questions, attitude in front of interviewer. 10% matter experience. Only 10%. Yes, your work experience, if you did any volunteer work, your knowledge, that will matter only 10% to get a job. And remain 10% for miscellaneous purpose. So this is our today's topic, interview, job interview. Hope you understood. and enjoy this lesson. Be with us. Time to time, we will upload many other lessons related with business communication. For the day, need to say goodbye.